Welcome and hello. This is the first video to describe how HEC ResSim works. And in this video, it's going to be real short and quick. And all it is a discussion and demonstration on how to download and install the program. So if you already have it installed and ready to go, you can skip ahead to one of the other videos. But if you haven't yet, then this is how it's done. So I'm going to leave the link in the description to the download site, but you could probably just do a quick Google search for HEC ResSim or something like that. And the first hit that I have here is the Hydrologic Engineering Center's website. So I'm just going to go straight to the main page or the downloads page. On the left, there's a downloads link here. And sure enough, here is the HEC ResSim version 3.3 at the time of this recording. There are some previous versions if you click the arrow down button. And this does say Windows 10. I have a Windows 11 operating system, so we'll see how that works. But yeah, if you're doing this in the future and Windows 12 is out, then hopefully a newer version of HEC ResSim is out as well. So just going to go ahead and click the download, wait for that to download. Okay, so the file downloaded, I have a .exe. I went ahead and clicked that icon and it turned my camera off, but basically it just said, "Are you sure you want to install?" I said yes. I clicked through the installation pages. You just agree to the terms and conditions. I agreed to the default location on my computer to install the program. It's up to you if you want to create a desktop shortcut or not. I just say no to that and then wait for a few more progress bars here to complete, and then it should be installed on your machine. All right, looks like it's good to go. Okay, so that's installed. Now I'm just going to go down to my start menu on the other switch monitors and type in HEC ResSim. There it is. Go ahead and click that and we will be up and running with our program. So we are ready to go. Hopefully that was not too bad. Okay, one more thing, guys, almost forgot, is when you're on the download page for HEC ResSim, go ahead and click the documentation link just below it. And then from there, you're going to want to download the user's manual for the version we just downloaded, which was 3.3. So go ahead and click that. It may load into your screen, into your browser, or it may download. Okay, it's almost done downloading. Okay, so here it is in the browser. And if you just click this little download button, and at least I'm in Chrome, this is how it works. Desktop, save, and boom, got it saved on my desktop.